Hello traders, welcome to Ideal Advisories. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Bank Nifty, what happened today and may happen tomorrow. And this video analyzes the data traded on Friday, that is 14th October 2022, and we will predict the levels which can be used for the trading on Monday, that is 17th October 2022. Now, we will see what happened on Friday, that is 14th October 2022 on Friday. Let us see. Actually, in the Bank Nifty, and we predicted this will be act as a resistance H1 and this level. Okay, and this level is going to be very key level, and this one is very important. This is because it is the latest support, and if this support is broken, Bank Nifty Index will enter bearish. Right now it is bullish. We recommended when this was the case. This was on Thursday. On Thursday evening, we recommended you trade long in Bank Nifty as it is trading nearby the support zone. And now the support is taken. And what happened on this day? This is on Friday. Friday, market had very huge gap up open. Around 750 points gap up open it had. And then immediately it made a high here. And then it came down to the low in the next 1 hour. Again, it made a high. And again, it closed below the low. This is below the open. This is the open price. And you see carefully, it did not open above the resistance level, that is the H1 level, and it opened nearby the resistance level, but failed to cross the resistance. The resistance is very important resistance. It failed to cross, and it taken the support here. It has taken the support here. This was the support. Okay, so this was the area resistance. It taken the support here, but it failed to cross the resistance in the important resistance H1. So that is very bad one. It should not have happened. So what happened actually? Okay. Now, so for the last couple of days, I am informing you, market is bullish. Bank Nifty is bullish, so trade long in bullish, always buy in dip. Okay. Now, it had a huge low gap up open and could not able to cross the resistance. Now the resistance act as the bar, the very important barrier. Now what to do? It is the Bank Nifty is not able to cross. Okay, this has happened. And another thing, as it had a gap up open and did not have a rally, the intraday traders could not be able to make money on the day, on Friday, because the rally is a very small rally. Even it's not a rally, small movement, very narrow, tight movement. So the intraday traders certainly could not have made a huge money due to the very small, tight range movement. Okay, now these are the things what happened on Friday. So due to the gap up open, small movement, the traders could not make money. This is the point, key point. And the important thing, the Bank Nifty could not able to cross the resistance, number 1, and it is trading nearby the resistance, number 2. Now, so this is the things over based on the data on Friday. What can we do tomorrow? That is on Monday. What shall we do? What may happen? We will discuss. Hope you understand So what may happen on Friday? You assume the bullish sign is continuous. The bullish sign continues. What may happen? Number one, the bank nifty should cross. If it crosses the resistance, it crosses and it rallies, it trades above the resistance, then you look for a consolidation like this. A consolidation like this. In that case, you start accumulating the long. You buy the call options or you can sell the put option and keeping this as the low. Keeping this low as the stop loss. This level is important. So this is the point as a number one, case one. Suppose if the bank nifty continues the bullish direction, now we have to do what we can do. We have to wait for the crossing level. The nearby the crossing level, nearby between this zone, don't trade anything. It is too riskier. You have to wait for the crossing. If for crossing the resistance, so the trader has to wait for crossing the resistance. Then only they have to start trading in the longs, in the long side. It has to cross the resistance, then it has to start the consolidation. Number one. Number two, the crossing should happen with huge volume. For example, watch BankNifty Future. Some good volume should be there. Very huge volume should be there, like this. Then only it may be a trustable one, or else so you may be trapped. So what I suggest, we have to wait and watch whether it is crossing the resistance or not. Once the resistance crossed, now watch whether the volume is happening. If the volume is there, then look for the consolidation. Now at the time of consolidation, volume should be very, very low. Now daringly you can trade long. This is advisable. Okay. Number two. Now this is one case. Another case. Case number two. Bank Nifty not able to survive. Bank Nifty opened here. Again, it is not able to cross the resistance. Then what to do? You wait for crossing this level. Okay, 39,168. This low. I mean yesterday low. Yesterday low is very important low. Yesterday low and this one, this high. This one, this low. Both are equal. So now you wait for crossing this line. Now you can start go short here at this point, keeping the stop loss at this point. This is the red zone. Keep this as a stop loss. One can think to go short here. You can accumulate put option or you can go short in call option. But remember, you are trading against the trend because the trend is a bullish trend. As it is trading nearby the resistance, it is not able to cross the resistance for the second day and it is coming down very, very big support. So taking that as an advantage, we are trading short. So below this line, if it start to trade here, you can go short, you can think about going short. However, this could be your target. Don't wait for a longer one. This could be your target. So once if it is trading here, it starts to trade here and comes down, you can go short and it will take the support here. This is case number 2. Okay. Now case number 3. I told you this is important supports. Okay. L1 is here. Now suppose it opens here at this point. It opens, it had a huge gap of open at this point. Now what to do? I request you, don't do anything, keep quiet. Because it is at oversold point and it may be a trapping point. It is trading nearby the support zone. This zone is a very important support zone. So if it opens here, don't trade, wait for the level. Wait for the level. So what may happen? If it opens here, if it had a gap of open on Monday, you look for the level. Suppose if it crosses upside and holds for some time along with huge volume, okay, It opened below the L1, but managed to cross L1 along with huge volume. Now look for a consolidation, small consolidation with a small volume. Now try to buy here. Daringly you can buy here, keeping this as the stop loss, where the open happened or the day low as the stop loss. Get my point? And then it may rally up to this point. It may rally. So this is case number 3. So case number 3 is it is opening below the L1, the support level, L1 support level, but failed to trade below. It is failed to go down, and it crosses upside the L1 with the huge volume. Now look for the consolidation session, and you can buy and wait for the target, or you can wait for the things. It depends on your investment and your capability, right? So this is case 3. Case 4, what may happen? It opens here, neither it crosses the low one or it is crosses the major support. It is trading in between here. What to do? Yes, the same case as what happened here. It may happen Monday also. So in that occasion, you may not have a proper level for trading, and it is very risky to trade on such a situation. Avoid trading on Monday if it happens. Suppose it opens here, it is crossing down the major support with huge volume. It has to cross down and hold there for 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. It is holding there, trading there, and it is consolidating with the small volume without crossing this low, without crossing this support. It is trading here. Now you can think to go short, because once Bank Nifty crosses this low, this level and new support, Bank Nifty will enter the bearish zone. So at that occasion, you wait for a consolidation. The consolidation should happen with the low volume. Daringly, you can go short and stop short in call option, or you can go long in put option. This should happen in what way? It should happen, open should happen below L1, and it should rally below the major support, new support, along with huge volume. Then consolidation should happen with low volume. In this situation only, you have to think about going short in the market. Now, 4th case. Bank Nifty opened below the new support. Too dangerous, too dangerous. Whether it may happen, we don't know. But right now, in this situation, anything may happen. But it is very rare, I think, because more than 1,500 points, it is gap down open. It may happen. If it happens, in such a situation, if it opens below the support level, major support, now if it is happening with the huge volume, accumulate out of the money put options, wait for some days, you may have a huge profit. Keep this as a stop loss. Clear? What happened? What should happen? Understand? Do understand clearly? It should open below the support level, major support, then it should come down. It should come down. Now with the huge volume, it should hold for 5 to 10 minutes. Watch that. Then you can go short immediately, and this is the important. Maintain this as a support. If it crosses above, then you exit. So 4 cases we have discussed. Very important. Market may go in either way. It may go right. So because it is in very resistance, at a very huge resistance, major resistance, it is trading. Though it had a very buying pressure, very gap up open, it had a good opportunity for short covering on Friday, but could not able to run. And it failed to cross the resistance in the upside. Also, you watch something else. I will show you. See. This was the major upside channel actually. In this uptrend channel, it was trading like this in a small channel. Okay, so a major, this is an important channel, and before that it had a bigger downward channel like this. So earlier we had a very big downward rally. Now thereafter this is a very small bounce back rally, we can see, but it is a major rally. Now this major rally may be an end because the reason it failed to cross. Suppose if it is crossing above the resistance and then it trades, assume that the major, this is our downward rally, this bounce back rally is on. Now, according to me, the bounce back rally is over. Now, what happened? What may happen? Whether whether L1 is crossing or the major support is crossing or yesterday low is crossing, how it is trading, it matters. So, what can we do tomorrow? And I explained very clearly. And what happened today, I explained you. And you also watched it. Okay, let us see on Monday. How do you think whether this video is useful or how can I make it more better? Give me the comments and you share to your friends if you think it is worthwhile. Okay, we will meet on Monday. Till then, bye bye and wish you all the best.